Good morning. Today is November 27, 2024, and today is the last trading day of the month, the last full trading day. We have half sessions the next couple of days, and usually at the end of the month we get some nice flow, but there's low volume because of Thanksgiving, and we just had a bunch of economic releases, and the market barely moved. So if that's an indication of the kind of day we're gonna have, get ready. But we have so much news today that I'm not sure. Maybe traders are waiting for the rest of the news to be coming out, but we literally have everything compressed from now till 1 p.m. Eastern. So we could get some nice moves later on, but I wouldn't be surprised if we have a slow day with low volume. Having said that, yesterday ES made new highs, new RTH highs. We still haven't retested that overnight high from the 8th of November. And we still have a pending target at 60.58 to repair that bullish imbalance from a few months ago or a few weeks ago. I can't remember when it was. But we are at the top of the range. So this is an area where we can start looking for fail breakouts and then move back into the point of control at 60.24. That's gonna be the short-term magnet for now. You can see that the overnight low is almost to the tick to that area, and then we did bounce. Now we're pulling back a little bit, but so this is an area where like shorts could work. Even though bulls are still in control, but longer term time traders are looking to short this area. So, and then in this area and this area right here at the 59.60, we should see some buyers. And this is short-term support right here at the previous week's high, 59.93. And this low volume node, we should see some support. Otherwise, if we come back into this area and we start chopping, we could just start seeing this area fill up with volume, and this becomes the trading range for a bit until we break out of it. If we do break below this 59.60, 59.55, then we have the weekly pivot, we have the 21 EMA, we have the 20 moving average. So this is gonna be not very easy to break through, but if we do, we have this high volume node here and this one right here at 59.20. I don't think we could see a breakout within the next day. Sometimes those short days, we see just like big moves on those short-term sessions. So if in the case that we break above this range, we could see the 6100 area attempt to test within the next few days. So that's I'm estimating this because of this distribution. Doubling that would put us somewhere around the 6100 area. NQ still looking for a retest of this 21-200, but it's been weaker than ES still. Again, look how ES made new highs, but NQ hasn't tested this spike down, and this area is is key now, right? Like we need, if we break this area, then this is gonna be the magnet. But we keep rejecting there. So right now we're in a transition between the previous week's high and this low volume node. We have this 960 magnet, and below the previous week's high, below 905, then 820 is the magnet to the downside. Crude. Yesterday I mentioned I wanted to see 68, and I think, did we get to 68? 68.05 was the low on crude. And but yeah, I had mentioned this three areas of high volume, and we actually tested all three of them. So so now, you know, we have this distribution, and you know, we're probably gonna fill this with volume, and failed attempts to break through this distribution, then we can fade them back to those high volume nodes. The 20-day is sitting right here at 68.95, but you know, this is also very relevant right now, the 68.10, 68.05, and this right here is the other area. But it looks like we're right now we're one time framing down on crude, so probably any attempts to rally are going to be sold. And gold, I rolled to the G contract. We have the 2654, which is besides being the 20-day point of control, it's also the monthly VWAP and the yearly VWAP. So this is gonna be a big magnet, big pull towards this area. So I'm not looking for much of a move unless something happens with the news that are coming up. I'm expecting this area to hold and then back to this. So expecting this to hold and then I move back to this 26 54 56. All right, let's see what happens today with all those news, and happy Thanksgiving. Oh, one more thing, our charity account is sitting at 152,985. We've had 6 green days in a row. Hopefully we'll keep our good risk management and take it to payout soon. We're about halfway there, maybe a little less than halfway there. All right, good luck, happy Thanksgiving, and I'll be around.